And this attacks. Please from the window. Yes, sir. And 1. Stop for 3. Bang! The answer. And attack. Oh, picks love passing. Yes, sir. Kicks it out. 4 shot. Yes, sir. Ooh. We are here at Batak 5-1. It's between Ilocos Ballers and Ilocos Hoops. And first bad for Ilocos. Here comes Ilocos Hoops. Corner pass. Launches on 3. Won't go. Rebound. Pull up J. Put it back. Yes, sir. And to the middle. He posts up. He kicks out. Open. Fires a 3. Bang! 3 point. In here's Boleros. Holds the ball. Stop for 3. Bang! The answer. Setting the play. Stops. Corner pass. Launches on 3. Bang! 3 point. And Ballers attacks. Bounce pass inside. Yes, sir. The connection. Enters Ballers. Shot. Yes, sir. The receiver. Number 17, the floater. Yes, sir. And dribbling. Will stop. We pass the wings. Sa gitna. Oop, rejected. Fix. Put back. Basket and 1. The pass. He dribbled the ball. Corner. To the baseline. Sa 3. Oop, stolen. And now Henry drives to the hoops. Yes, sir. 14. Ilocos. And dribbling the ball. And attack. Ooh, picks love pass. And yes, sir. Pasqua. Crossover. Drives inside. Lace. Naked. And attacks to the hoops. Yes, sir. 4-3. Bang! 3 points. Here comes Hoopers. Goes to the screen. And corner sa 3. Short. Rebound. And pass. 2-on-1 ang laban. Pinasa. Fires. Insa palasa pabalik. Bakit? And pass. Bounce pass. Low post. Posting up. Bomb kicks out. Open look. Fires a 3. Bang! The Nets for the lead. And the pass. 4-3. You know, good. And now straight to the hoops. Fires. Yes, sir. 5-point lead. And the pass break. And the pass. Picks. Attacks. It's Leash. Yes, sir. The pass and the finish. And Castro, the pass. Delays. Recover. 1 bounce. Floater shot. Yes, sir. And dribbling. Crosses over. Looking for the opponent. And pass. Sa gitna. Wing side for 3. Bang! 3 point. And the bounce pass. Escabillo through the loops. Yes, sir. And at Kawili. He pass to the wing side. Corner. And a bump. And fix. And this attacks. Please of the window. Yes, sir. And 1. Here's team. Hoopers. Castro. Long 3. Good rebound. Put back. Yes, sir. The follow-up is now inbounding for Ilocos Hoopers. And pass to Castro. Fire away. Bucket for 2 of the window. To the wings. Inside pass. Hook shot. Wala. Goes over. And to the wing side for 3. Bang! The net! Santos! And bounce pass. Medrano. Pagkawili. Will attack. Bam. Pass sa 3. Bang! 3 points. Ni Santos. And the pass. Castro will drive. Will lace. Yes, sir. The lucky bounce. Yes, it's lost the ball. Recover. Crosses over. Behind the back dribble. Behind the back pass. Crosses over. At Kawili penetrate to the middle. Pull up jet the free throw area. Bullseye at the glass. Ilocos Hoopers basketball. Pull up J. Corner. Bullseye. Bring the ball. The pass. And drives. Lost the handle. Stolen. And goes inside. Easy bucket. Bounding. Bounce pass. Kicks. Goes inside. Kicks it out. 4 shot. Yes, sir. Ooh. And hook pass. Drives. Spinning. Kicks out for 3. Bang! 3 points. Bounding the pass. Is it please? Yes, sir. And pass break. Oh, binawian agad. Lucas. And it's kicked out. Floater shot. Pass break. And nonchalant. Yes, easy too. Niners Hoopers. Attacks. Pass. Castro will drive. Pinabitin. Bucket for 2. Castro. Chest pass. For 3. Bang! 3 points. And dribbling the ball. And the pass. Posing up. Picks Castro. And pinapauko sa 3. Put back shot. Yes, sir. Bypass. Castro versus Castro. Now at the top. He crosses over. Will recover. Rejected. And the fires of the window. Yes, sir. For 3. Bang! Castro. And the pass. For 3. Bang! 3 points. Llanes.
Inside, working his way in, groove back, move for jersey. Number 25, gets blitz and events, face the pass, and Marcos will finish that 2-pointer. Behind stop and pop, jumper is in. Number 31, Kanaka, turn around, is still rejected on the other hand, outlet pass. Number 2, receives, fires, 2-pointer. And number 9, pass 1. Pass 1, that is his triple. And number 31. Number 31 pulls the finger. And will make that. Conte attacks. Layup, shot one go. Follow the ball is in para de Noy Santo. Pass 1. Pass 1, top of the key, wide open. No contest on that. Wide open. No contest. 3 points. Number 25. Pass to Barcelona. Swings to Marcos. Number 10 on top of the post. Number 10. Pass to Marcos. Marcos penetrates the middle. What a high shot. And they are now taking their time this time. Number 25. Llanes corner. 5 to shoot. And he lifts it for Marcos. Perimeter jumper. And Lucas meron ng pamadali. Lucas on the other hand. Taking the lead by Triggers. It's cool. Layup is in for Lucas. Number 28. Number 28 pulls back. Number 25 Tanaka wide open corner three-pointer pass. Number 25 pass to Barcelona. Swings to Marcos. Number 10 wants the ball. Di nga na mabigyan. And number 10 wants the ball. Nakuha na niya. Giannis 4 to shoot, 3 to shoot. Cash and far pass. Number 25 3 on 2. Give and go. Pass conductor. Ayaw. Pasok ang malong tira. Fourth period. 18-9-64. And number 11 inside. Anthony. Number 17 fakes the shot. Anthony finds Castro. Castro 3 points. Number 25 nasa kanan, looking for a teammate. He uses the Beniano pick. And onto the other hand, Giannis on the pursuit. And layup is in para dito kay Castro. Castro, straight 5 points. And a quick still too far para dito sa slightly lost Boleros. Number 10, deep inside, turn it out, shot won't go. Beniano. And Canadian ball is stolen. Here comes number 17. Number 17, paso at Kawili. At Kawili na nagmamadali. Antonio, now low jumper. At Kawili. Number 14, once again, jumper. Masyadong malakas. Pedrano, one tap, 1-1. And that's down to 1-1. Final score, 101-79. Ilocos Hoopers.